Hey Stitches, welcome back to my channel. I am Z and I am doing great. So I hope you guys are doing phenomenal. In today's video, I thought that I would challenge my finesse and crochet skills by designing my very first ever dress. I'm imagining something of a baby doll, A-line top kind of dress with bright colors and butterflies, making it perfect for spring and summer. So of course, my beautiful Stitches, any design starts off with an idea or sketch. I don't always sketch my ideas, but since I am doing something totally new, a dress, designing it, I figured it would be best to come out the gate with a strong foundation so I would have even stronger success in the end. So I am going to sketch out my idea just so that I get a better visualization of what I'm trying to achieve today. I have a design for my dress, and it was inspired by this fun, funky colored yarn that I picked up at a local yarn shop here in San Antonio. And it's got pops of bright oranges and pinks. And I was also inspired by this beautiful free granny square pattern by, I believe her name is, oh gosh, guys, I can't remember the name of the designer. I'll be sure to link the pattern to her design in the description box below. Remember, it is free just in case you want to try it and make your own project or dress with this same design. Simple and easy, any beginner could pick it up. You might need to learn how to make a treble crochet. That's with the 3 loops instead of a double crochet. And of course I can leave a link to how to complete a triple crochet in the description box below, just to make the learning of the pattern that much easier. I think that the dress overall will be super cute and fun given that everything goes right. Fingers crossed. But let's go ahead and get into making the dress. Okay guys, so I just finished all of my stitching for my bodice. I did sew them together, and I am going to now redo the openings for my corset. I found that after I tried it on, the length of the opening portion was actually just too long. So instead of having the gap in the back, the bodice was touching and there was no point for a lace up at that point. So I am going to redo it and make it shorter so that there is still a space in the back for my lace up the detail. So instead of doing double crochets, I'm going to do 1 row of single crochet across, which you see I've already done here, and then I'm working on my openings. The openings is just the same as before. It's the half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet, chain 1, and you're skipping every other stitch so that you have an opening to lace up your back with. So right now I'm working on the openings, and once I'm finished, I'll refortify the openings with the single crochets in each stitch across like we did previously. So that is what I'm working on now. I'm gonna go ahead and finish that up and all finished. I just got to weave in the end, so this is how it looks when it's finished. Just single crochet, and again that half double crochet, chain one space, repeat across, and then we've got just a row of single crochet across the top of that. And I did complete it on both ends here, so that is much better. And I did make sure to try it on, so I do have some space in between my back so I can have that corset opening like I want. Now I can start working on the skirts. Alright guys, I have started working on the tulle skirt to go underneath the dress here. It's very voluminous. I might need to go around and trim it up because I do have some really long ends there, but I'm halfway done. I just have to do the front of the petticoat tulle skirt, but I think she looks gorgeous, gorgeous darling. So I'm just using some tulle I picked up from the store, Joann's. They had the right matches for it. This pink and orange goes perfectly. And then I also have some extra tulle from the last skirt that I made. So yeah, it's coming along nicely, but I'll show you guys the end result of the tulle skirt here when I am finished. Hello Stitches, I'm back to show you the finished dress. Hi Stitches, I'm back to show you guys the finished dress, and I'm super excited to show you guys, but I have to tell you, I'm gonna flip this camera around, and my room is a mess, my craft room, but according to TikTok it should be on sewer status.
If you are a crafter and your craft room is clean, you ain't no real crafter, okay? Your craft room is supposed to be on sewer status, okay? It's supposed to be filthy as hell. That lets me know you're working.
So I'm good by that. But anyway, I'm in the middle of remixing the room. As you can see, I put up a faux wall, but I ran out of my faux wall, so I've got to get more of that to finish it up and do a couple other things. But for now, just excuse the mess, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the dress now. I'm so happy. Woo-hoo. So here she is in all her glory. I made a nice little choker to go with it, and she's got some bows for her arm straps. Yeah, real cute. Okay, I'll show you guys the back. Here's the back, ladies and gents. She's got all the butterflies in the world to keep her afloat. And check out the tulle under the skirt. So cute. And this lace up detail, I'm living for it. I was going to do a I-cord, but I decided to do this double stitched slip stitch thing I saw on TikTok. It worked out pretty well. I love it. Ooh, there's a string I forgot to weave in. We'll deal with that later. But that's the dress, you all. I hope you like it. And of course, follow me on Instagram to see the pictures I take in it. You care for that sort of thing. But that is all. I hope that you enjoyed this video, And I'll see you all in the next one. Please give me a like, comment, or subscribe to all the wonderful madness and creative glory to come next. With that, I'm gonna say deuces, stitches. Bye.